Hey Juan, real quick, man, I just wanted to show you like a proof of concept of some shit. And I noticed that your website wasn't, I already made a video for you, but while that video was loading, I wanted to come back and show you like, look, your website's down. I don't know why, but it's really affecting you in a negative way. Websites are tax deductible. Today is the last fucking day to even, if you were gonna get one, do one. But I wanted to show you like something that I did for somebody else. Now look. Philadelphia. It's just one, I've worked on, right? It's one of many. So Philadelphia foundation repair ranks first, right? Well, for the most part, it's green, right? It's green in the city of Philadelphia. And the reason why that is because, let's just go to their website. Just because it's super authoritative, like super freaking authoritative. What I mean is like this, like when it comes to foundation repair, I got a page for that. Cracks, piers, polyfoam injection, slab lifting and leveling, wall leveling, all that shit. And then waterproofing, I made like so many pages covering all this stuff, you know? So if like piers and beams, like if anybody looks for piers and beams in Philadelphia, I'm showing up first. That's me, right? That's me. Does that make sense? Because I created so much content around this stuff, like crack repair. So crack repair in Philadelphia, Philadelphia foundation repair, Philly foundation repair, Philly foundation repair. You see how I'm just occupying all this fucking space on page one? Let's go back. Freaking wall leveling, crawl spaces, load testing. Let's go to load testing. I forgot to add Philadelphia. Philadelphia, PA. I rank right here. But do you see the concept? Like you want to have like a really authoritative website, and that's really going to help you out. So whenever you get that thing up and running, or if you need help putting it together, just let me know, right? And we'll work on it.